Hello dear students, how are you? Dear student, as you watching on screen today I am going to start effects of exercise on muscular system. So dear student, you have already read effect of exercise on our respiratory and cardiorespiratory system. So just like this, today you have to read about the effects of exercise on muscular system. So you know that there are many kinds of the benefit of exercises for our internal organs, outer parts of the body, like our muscular system, skeletal system. So today basically we have to read about the effect of exercise on muscular system. So these all points are given here. You have to read about these all points. First, gain in strength. So this time when we perform regular exercises, then with the regular exercise there is gain in muscular strength and power. This gain of strength is the result of thinking of sarcolemma. So this time when we doing the regular exercises, then we can gain strength. Our muscular power can be increased. So next, efficiency improvement. So as a result of regular exercises, there is an increase in the number of capillaries in muscles. So already I have taught that when we perform the regular exercises, the number of capillaries in muscles can be increased. By this there is a faster circulation of blood, and by this the faster circulation of blood can occur. Thus it is improve the efficiency of muscles. So by this the our efficiency of muscles can be increased. Next, lactate threshold increase. So distant lactate threshold increase. Regular exercises increase the ability of muscles. So when we perform the regular exercises, the ability of muscles can be increased to tolerate the more lactic acid for longer duration. So we can tolerate the more lactic acid for longer duration. And production of the lactic acid can also be decreases when we perform the regular exercises. The lactate threshold increases, thus the muscles delay tiredness and fatigue. So why this the lactate threshold will increase, then the muscles delay tiredness and fatigue. So our muscles can be the delay fatigue and tired. So it improve the anaerobic endurance. So by this the it improve the anaerobic endurance and aerobic endurance. So lactate threshold increases and we can get the we can take the long time for doing any kinds of work for the tiredness and fatigue. We can delay the fatigue and tiredness for this. Next, increase in aerobic and anaerobic endurance. So a trained muscles has a more aerobic endurance. Therefore, its capacity to work for longer duration without fatigue is improved. So a trained muscles can has more aerobic endurance. Therefore, its capacity to work for longer duration without fatigue is improved. So that's why when we perform the regular exercises, then our aerobic and aerobic endurance can be improved. We can sustain our work for the longer duration. Next, proper shape of the body. So proper shape, when we perform the regular exercises, provide the proper shape to the body, thus improving the physical personality. Moreover, remove the excessive fat from the muscles. So we can also remove the excessive fat from the muscles when we perform the regular exercises. Next, faster recovery from injury. So trained muscles can recover from the injury very fast. Moreover, there are less chances of injury. So faster recovery from injury can be occur when we perform the daily exercises. This is the good effect on muscles for the regular exercises. Next few points are more here. Next point, emergency store of energy improve. So emergency store energy we can also improve. The ATP and ATP source in mitochondria increase, by which the muscles can produce more energy. It also increase the oxygen depth capacity, thus improve the muscles efficiency. So it also can increase the oxygen depth capacity, thus the improve muscles efficiency. Next, desired strength developed. So whatever strength we want to develop in our muscles, then desired strength can be developed by the regular exercise. So systematic and scientific training can develop the desired strength and endurance. So nothing is impossible. So when we are performing the in proper way in systematic and scientific training, then we can also develop the desired strength and endurance. Next, faster response. So this time now we have to read about the faster response. In trained muscles, the stimulus travels faster. Thus, the muscles' action and response are faster. Moreover, the muscles remain in tone up condition, which the improve the relaxed action. Body remains active throughout. So fast response can be occur when we perform the regular exercises. Next, efficient use of diet. So trained muscles can efficiently use carbohydrate, protein, fats, etc. as source of energy with the less consumption of oxygen. So efficient use of the diet we can improve by the regular exercises. Next, better neuromuscular coordination. So regular exercise improve the neuromuscular coordination, by which the various skills can be performed efficiently, economically and accurately. So our we can improve the better neuromuscular coordination, because you know that the when we perform any kinds of activities, the our brain can brain give order to our muscles, and neuron cells carry the message to our muscles, and our muscles can the good response, advanced response. So it's a better neuromuscular coordination can be improved by the regular when we perform the regular exercises. Next, increase in muscles mass. So regular exercise increase the muscles mass, increase in mitochondria, increase in myoglobin content of muscles, thus the controlling weight of the person. So when we perform the regular exercises, increase the muscle mass, increase in myoglobin content of the muscles, thus the controlling the weight of the person. So these are the all effect of exercise on muscular system. So I think that you have understood about the what are the effects of exercise on our muscular system only. Now to student, next topic, physiological changes due to aging and role of physical activity. So dear student, you know that today everybody want to remain happy, healthy and young for long time. So for this we have to perform the daily regular exercises. So physiological changes, what are the physiological changes due to the aging? When we are our age is increasing day by day, and role of the physical activity, and what is the role of the physical activity on the physiological changes due to the aging. So dear student, as you know that with the honest of the old age aging process, the specific threshold performance deteriorates. Most of the physiological function apparently have their own individual peaks performance, which declines with their age. The physiological functions reach their peaks performance somewhere between the age of 20 to 30 years. Researchers have the proof that most of the body system and their function gradually decreases with the age after reaching their peak performance. The decay in physical performance increases with the advancing age, depending upon heredity, genes and physical activity. Disease, health problem, sedentary lifestyle, poor diet, overstress or tension. So pollution or unhygienic environment, taking intoxicants, etc. The biological aging process can be delayed with the regular training or exercises. So do you understand the physiological changes according to the aging process and effect of the exercise are you are going to read now. So you are watching here muscles size when we perform the daily exercises, then what will be, and due to the increasing age, so muscle size, muscle strength and lean body weight decreases during the increasing age after the 40 years, and we will perform regular exercises, then we can also increase the muscles of size, muscle strength and lean of the body weight after the increasing age. Increasing age means more than 40 years. Next, basal metabolic rate, overall heart rate, cardiac muscles strength, maximal cardiac output, stroke volume, maximal blood flow, elasticity of blood vessels, chest expansion, vital capacity, pulmonary diffusion capacity, reaction time, speed of movement, flexibility, endurance, coordinative ability, overall the health, immune system, diet and physical fitness. These all things can decreases due to the aging, increasing age. So when we perform the daily exercise continue in regular way, scientific and systematic way, then we can also increase these all things, the major metabolic rate, overall the heart rate, cardiac muscle strength, maximal cardiac output, stroke volume, already have read maximal cardiac output, stroke volume, maximal blood flow, elasticity of the blood vessels, chest expansion, vital capacity, pulmonary diffusion capacity, reaction time, speed movement, flexibility, endurance, coordinative ability, overall health system, right? The physical fitness and percentage of body fat, blood pressure and health problems will be increased due to increasing age. So these only three things can be increases due to aging: percent body fat, blood pressure, health problems. So there are many kinds of the health problems can be occur due to the overage. When we perform the daily exercises, then we can also decrease the percent of the body fat, blood pressure and health problems. So dear student, today I have read about the basically two topic: effect of exercise on our muscular system and physiological changes due to aging and role of the physical activity. How can we uh, remain for the long time happy, healthy and young? So I think that you have understood the both topics in proper way. If you have any problem, you are not understanding anything, then you can talk with me, you can message me in WhatsApp group. So whatever things I am teaching you, please make notes and revise everything, okay, and perform daily exercises whatever you are reading daily, then you can understood the benefit of the exercises on daily basis, then you can live stay healthy and you can be lean, smart and you can be the young for the long time. Okay, so thank you, bye bye, all the best. Okay.